Come on, you can get the lettuce. You like the lettuce enough to come get it. Come here, big fat Ruby. Come get it. You don't like the lettuce enough to try to come get it? You were so close. Come on, lady. Bertram. You're acting like Bertram from Jessie. Ruby. The great and talented. Come on, do it. Come on. You can do it. Be nice and talented. Oreo. Oreo.
Oh, that's so pretty. It's so pretty. Stop the video. Ryan.
Yeah.
Stop the video. This is Red Ryder. Isn't he adorable? You see what's wrong with his neck? You like this? You like it? I think you like it. I think he needs a comb.
Yeah.
I know, it's so hairy, huh?
Have you been in there for days?
You like it, don't you? You like it, don't you?
Let me turn it off.
A guinea pig stuck in a sports car. Wow. Try to get her out. Try to get her out. A guinea pig stuck in a sports car. That's the news for today.
Safety first.
That's the news for today. Thanks for watching.
Release the food. Not that much, but we're going to see who will win. Come here. Don't you see this, guys? Don't you see this? Oh! Okay, she's okay. Put her back. Come eat the food. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, someone's winning. Well, who will win? Okay, who will win? Looks like this little girl right here is winning right now. Don't touch the food. Come on, Snuggles, chew that up fast. Shh. Do not touch it. And we have a winner. Dun dun dun. Dum 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 dum.
thirsty. You thirsty boy.
I'll go get his water.
Thirsty boy, you thirsty. It's on. Lift it all the way up, see how long her neck gets. No, keep it where it was. See how long her neck can get.
Ow! Fat guinea pig.
And